Hello children, we are here again with fractions and decimals of standard 7. Let's now solve some real life examples. Here we are with the fourth question. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12.5 centimeter long and 10 2/3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. Now children, there is a rectangular sheet of paper. The length as well as width is known to us. We are told to find its perimeter. Now, perimeter of any figure is nothing but the length of sum of all the sides. Here there are 4 sides, so we have to add the 4. But that is the usual method. Here, for rectangle, we do have a formula for finding out the perimeter of a rectangle. The formula goes as twice L plus B. Now, in the formula, we know the length, we know the breadth, so we are going to substitute it. Now, the next step became twice 12.5 plus 10 2 by 3, wherein length is 12.5, breadth is 10 2 by 3. Now we have to solve this and get the answer. We are going to focus inside the bracket initially. Inside the bracket we have two mixed fractions to be solved, that is added. So change them into the improper fraction. After getting them in the improper fraction, check out for the denominators. If the denominators are different, go for LCM method. Once you select the LCM, make the denominators same, add the numbers, and this is what you get. Now finally, 2 is to be multiplied by 139 upon 6. Do the corresponding multiplications and divisions if necessary and get your answer. So the perimeter of the rectangle comes out to be 46 integer 1 by 3 meter. I think centimeter. It should be centimeter. Let's move to the next question. Find the perimeters of triangle ABE and the rectangle BCDE. So you can see both of them in the figure whose perimeter is greater. So first of all, we have to find out the perimeters of both the figures, that is the triangle as well as rectangle, and finally we have to check which one is greater. The values are given over there. We are going to use these values. Let us initially begin with perimeter of rectangle. Here it should be BCDE. So we have perimeter of rectangle BCDE, which is equal to twice L plus B. The length and breadth is told to us, so substitute them. If you have any mixed fraction, change it into improper and find out the LCM if needed. Here we get the LCM as 12, and let us make the denominators same. Solve the bracket and finally do the multiplications to get the area of the rectangle BCDE. It is here 7 integer 5 by 6 centimeter. Now we have to find out the perimeter of the triangle. Here the perimeter of the triangle will be sum of all the three sides, which is AB plus BE plus AE. So add all the three numbers. First of all, as usual, we are going to convert it into improper and proceed with the LCM method to get the equal denominators. Now, get the final answer by adding the numbers. Here, finally we come to the conclusion that perimeter of the triangle ABE is 8 integer 17 upon 20 centimeter. One last thing, we have to check out which one is greater. we can identify 8 integers 17 upon 20 will be greater. So we decide that the perimeter of triangle ABE is greater. With this, we'll stop here. We'll come up with more examples of real life and other practice examples also. Goodbye till then.